Before we start our discussion on conditional formatting, we want to create a blank table with some test data so we can apply the conditional format to that test table. In the Home ribbon tab, you have to press the Enter Data field. And in the first column here, you're going to type in the stuff that's in the workbook. And we're going to type the word test, test null. And in the second column, we're going to put nothing in the second column. In the second field, we're going to type in the word test 0. And in the second column, we're going to put a 0. And then we're going to type in test 1. And then we're going to put a 1 in. And then we're going to type test 2. Then we're going to put in a 2 in the next field. 2. And if you want to put a couple more, you can do that too, but this is enough just to get the system started. The name of the table can be written down here at the bottom, and so if you want to change the name, you're welcome to do that. But in this case, we're just simply going to load this particular table. Now the table gets loaded, and you see on the right side, you've got your table 1 with your column 1 and column 2. And the column 2 happens to be a numeric field. And that's the basic test information that we're going to create to apply conditional format to it.